Hey guys, technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to send someone a message with the celebration special effects. So let's get started. So on the latest iOS version, go ahead and open up your Messages app. And once you open up your Messages app, find the person that you like to send a message with that celebration special effect. So I'm going to go ahead and select that contact here. And first thing you need to do is either write a message or pick an emoji or even send them a sticker or a photo that you like to send them. So I'm gonna do happy birthday, right? And I do that, and in order to activate that special effect for celebration, I need to press and hold that arrow pointing upward. You don't want to simply click and release because that will just send as a normal text. So you need to press and hold, and that will activate a menu for special effects. So I'll click on screens here and then swipe until I get to the menu with the celebration where it says send with celebration. And as you can see, there's a preview, and then once I like that, I simply click on that arrow upward and it's playing that animation with sound and of course music for that celebration. Happy birthday. When they open that up, that's what they're going to experience. And like I said, you can use even an emoji, or you can send a photo or a sticker as well, or even audio message, whatever you choose to. As long as there's something in the message box, you can activate that celebration special effect to send to your contact. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make the like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.